Hello everyone. We are taking today two topics, that is plastids and Golgi apparatus. Okay beta. So plastids are the color imparting organelle present only in plant cell, not in the animal cell. Okay. These are only present in the plant cell, not in the animal cells. These are of three types. One of the plastid is leucoplast. Second one is chromoplast, and the third one, which is very essential for the plant, that is chloroplast. Okay, so leucoplast is the colorless plastid. Chromoplast imparts so many colors to each and every part of the plant, and chloroplast is the green color plastid, right? So leucoplast do the function of storage of starch only. If you have seen the potato, you can see in the potato, when we cut the slices of the potato, you can see the starch coming out from the pieces of potato. That storage takes place due to the presence of leucoplast. And what is the function of chromoplast? Different colors of the flowers, different colors of the vegetables or fruits due to the presence of the chromoplast. As you all can see that the orange is orange in color, brinjal is purple in color or violet color, tomatoes are red in color, and you can see the various vast range of color of flowers present in the plants due to the presence of chromoplast. From where the pigment is coming, from where the color is coming, from the chromoplast. Next is very essential part or the plastid is chloroplast. It is very essential for the process of photosynthesis. By the photosynthesis, all the plants make their own food. Therefore, they are known as producers of the ecosystem or the autotrophs, and they form the food for itself and for the whole ecosystem, for the animals, right? So this is the structure of chloroplast, and it is double membranous structure. Chloroplast, this is the chloroplast, and it is double membranous. These are two membrane. Okay, double membrane. This is inner membrane and the outer membrane. राइट आप यहाँ लिख सकते हैं आउटर वाले को आउटर, इनर वाले को इनर. एंड प्रोटीनेशियस फ्लूइड इज प्रेजेंट इन द chloroplast. It is known as stroma also. In the chloroplast, the matrix is present, and the matrix is said to be stroma in the chloroplast, right? You can see so many vesicles or stacks like structures I have drawn here. Or you can see the coin like structures. When we place the coin one above the other, then we can see so many coins. When we make together group of the coin, these are look like this. These coin or stacks or vesicles are said to be thylakoid. Thylakoid. Each stack or each vesicle is said to be thylakoid, and the group of thylakoid is said to be granum. The whole stack is said to be granum. Okay, so inside the thylakoid, the green pigment is present here. The pigment is said to be chlorophyll, which is very essential for the trapping of sunlight in the process of photosynthesis. Okay, these are the connections between each and every granum. These connections are known as lamella. Okay, so this is the structure of chloroplast, double membranous structure. Because in the thylakoids, the pigment chlorophyll is present, and what is the function of chlorophyll? To trap the sunlight. So the light reaction of photosynthesis takes place inside the thylakoid or in the granum, you can say, and the dark reaction of the photosynthesis takes place inside the stroma, the proteinaceous stroma. where the chlorophyll is absent, where no necessary of trapping of sunlight, because the dark reaction takes place in the absence of sunlight. Clear to all? Because the photosynthesis takes place in two phases. One of the phases light reaction and the another one is dark reaction. You will study in the senior classes. So the light reaction of photosynthesis takes place in the thylakoid and the dark reaction takes place in the matrix also, yeah, stroma. So where are the chloroplasts present? In the leaves only. Therefore leaves are said to be the protein factories, the kitchen of the cell, because the food formation takes place on the surface of leaves. Because the chloroplasts are present on the surface of leaves in the specialized cell, the cells are said to be mesophyll cells. Okay. So in the leaves the mesophyll cells are present. Inside the mesophyll cells the chloroplasts are present. Inside the chloroplast the chlorophyll is present for the trapping of sunlight, or you can say for the formation of food by the process of photosynthesis. So chloroplast is said to be the kitchen of the cell. It is said to be the kitchen of the cell. Next topic we are taking today, that is one of the important topic of our syllabus, or one of the important cell organelle of our body. It is said to be Golgi complex or Golgi apparatus. Golgi complex or Golgi apparatus. It is formed by means of so many stacks-like structures. Okay, these are the stacks-like structures. These are the Golgi apparatus, forms of so many stack-like structures or vesicles. These are the vesicles secreted by the Golgi apparatus, and it stores so many substances in the vesicle. It is known as the secretory organ, okay, or the packaging organ, or the transporting organ or the organelle of the cell, right? Packaging organelle, packaging component, secretory component because it secretes the vesicle, and the vesicle contains so many, what contains so many substances, chemicals, right? These stacks are said to be cisternae. These stacks, and cisternae secretes the vesicles. These are vesicles. Then vesicles store so many components or packaging of components. Okay, so it is proposed by the scientist. The scientist is said to be Camillo Golgi. Camillo Golgi. उनके नाम पे ही इनका नाम क्या पड़ा है? Golgi should be in capital letter. Golgi, Camillo Golgi. On the name of the scientist, the Golgi complex is said to be Golgi complex or apparatus. It is present in both the cells, animals and plant cells. In the plant cell, it is known as dictyosomes. Dictyosomes. If you haven't written in the copy, you may write from here. In the plant cells, the Golgi apparatus is said to be dictyosomes. In the animal cell, it is said to be Golgi complex. So, what is the function of the Golgi complex? To transport the material, to secrete the material to form the vesicles. Okay, so it is the function of Golgi apparatus. Question आएगा what is the transporting organelle? That is known as Golgi apparatus. Okay, this is all about the Golgi apparatus and the chloroplast. Learn the topic, read the topic, and send me your queries on my number and subscribe my channel.